Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how to add Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets for telecom sector. Suppose I am working in telecom sector and I have a business in that sector and also I have a page in Facebook, and now I am running an ad on my Facebook page through which I am getting a lot of leads. Now I want all these lead details to organize in my Google Sheets automatically. For that I am going to use Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect we are going to use trigger and action. In trigger application, we will use Facebook lead ads. In action application, we will use Google Sheet. So whenever a new lead is generated in our Facebook lead ads, it will work as a trigger event for us, and a new row will be added automatically in Google Sheets, which will work as an action event for us. How are we going to do that? For that, let me take you to my computer screen.
Hello everyone. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and this is my Facebook page, and I'm working in telecommunication sector. And this is my company, Telecom Connect. This is my Facebook page of Telecom Connect. So what I do is I provide all the DTH services and network services in my area. And now I want to grow my business. For that, I'm running an ad in my Facebook page through which I'm getting a lot of leads. But I want all these lead details in my Google Sheets, and I want these details to add automatically in my Google Sheets so that I don't have to do this manually, which will save time for me. So whenever a new lead is generated in my Facebook page, I want these details to add automatically in my Google Sheet. For that, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which will create an integration between my Facebook page and Google Sheet. So for using Pabbly Connect, I'll open a new tab and I'll search for pabbly.com, and it will take me to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we can see we have two options: sign in and sign up for free. So if you don't have an account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time, and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. And if you have an account with Pabbly Connect, you can just sign in. After sign in, it will take me to this page. Here we can see these are the tools that Pabbly offers to us, which is Pabbly Connect, Pabbly subscription billing, Pabbly email marketing, Pabbly form builder, and Pabbly email verification. We are going to use Pabbly Connect. For that, I'll click on access now under Pabbly Connect. So this will take me to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here in this section, we can see all the workflows that I have created, and these are the other details related to my workflow. These are the tasks allotted to me, these are the tasks consumed by me, and these are tasks remaining for me, and these are the free tasks consumed by me. Here we have this another section of folders. You can create your folders to store your workflows by clicking here. Right now what we are going to do is we are going to create a workflow. For that, I'm going to click on this button called create workflow. I click here and this new window will pop up. Here it says name your workflow. So I will name my workflow as Facebook lead ads to Google Sheet for my telecommunication sector. So I've named my workflow, and here we can see we have this another tab called select folder. I only have one folder, which is home, but if you want to save your workflows on another folders, you can create them from folder section. I'll click on create and this new window will open, and here we can see we have two boxes, triggers and action. So trigger are the first step that gonna execute in our workflow, and action just follows that. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So whenever a trigger event will be executed in our workflow, action event will follow that automatically. Now we will set a trigger application for us. For that, I'll click here and search for Facebook lead ads, which will be our trigger application. Click on Facebook lead ad. Now I have to give a trigger event for this, and I'll open this and I'll select new lead instant, which will be my trigger event. So whenever a new lead is generated in Facebook lead ads, it will work as my trigger event. Now I have to connect my Facebook account. I'll click here on connect. I click on add new connection. I connect with Facebook lead ads. I click on continue, and I've successfully connected my Facebook account with Pabbly Connect. Now here we can see we have page and lead gen form. Now to understand this, let me take you back to my Facebook page. So this is my Facebook page, and the name of my Facebook page is Telecom Connect. Now I will go to all tools, scroll down and select instant forms. Now we can see I only have one form in this, which is lead form. I'll preview this next. So this is the contact information that we need. So this is how my form is. I close this and I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. So I will map the form that I'm going to use, which is Telecom Connect, and the lead gen form, that is lead form. Now here it says select lead gen from here. Please ensure that lead gen form is live, else you might not receive the lead data correctly. What it says is that your lead gen form should be live, and if it is live, you will get the data correctly. Here it is another note which says, please note that after clicking the save and send test button, you will need to make the sample submission of your lead generation form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So what it says is, after clicking on save and send test button, I have to make a sample submission for my form so that I can get the data in my webhook response. But you need to make sure that your lead generation form is live. I'll click on save and send test request button. Here we can see it is waiting for the webhook response. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to create a sample submission. For that, we are going to use Meta for Developer app. We will go to Meta for Developer. I'll click on my app. I'll click on tools. I'll scroll down and look for lead ads RTU debug tool. I'll I'll open this. Here we can see we have two options, page and form. In page section, I will map the page that we are using, which is Telecom Connect, and we got the form that we are using, which is lead form. Now click on preview form. Here we have this user information that we need to fill. Now we will fill the demo details. First, I will fill the emails, which is demo@pabbly.com. Now I will fill full name, which is demo user. Now I will give a random phone number, which is 99999. I'll give it random city, which is Bhopal. Now before clicking next, let's go back to the Google Sheet, and here we can see we have 4 columns: full name, email, phone number, city. So these are the same details that we have in my lead gen form, and what I want is whenever anybody fill that lead gen form, their details should get automatically added in this manner in my Google Sheet. Now I'll go back to the Meta for Developer app. I'll click next. I'll click submit, and now I will go to Pabbly Connect, and here we can see we get the data in our webhook response. So email as demo@pabbly.com, full name as demo user, phone number as 99999, and the city as Bhopal. Here we have other details too: created time, ID, form ID, field data. So our trigger is set up completely. Now we will set up our action application. For that, I'll open this and I'll search for my action application, which will be Google Sheet. I'll select Google Sheets. Now I will give an action event, and I'll open this box, and I will select add new row, which will be my action event. So whenever a new lead is generated in my Facebook lead ads, it will work as a trigger event, and a new row will be added in my Google Sheet. It will work as an action event. Now I will connect my Google Sheet account with Pabbly Connect. I'll click on connect. I'll click on add new connection. I'll sign in with Google. I'll give permission to my account, and I will allow this. I've successfully connected my account with Pabbly Connect. Now I will select the spreadsheet that I'm going to use. So for that, let's go to my Google Sheets. Here we can see my Google Sheets name is Telecom Connect Leads. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. I'll select the spreadsheet as Telecom Connect Leads. Here we can see the details have changed here, and now we will map these details with the webhook response that we have. By mapping these details, what will happen is that whenever we will get a new response in the webhook, it will change these details in our Google Sheets too. So this will happen in the real time, and we will get the new data all the time. Now I will map the full name. I'll open this. I'll open the webhook response, and I will look for full name. Similarly, I will map email, phone number, and the city. So I have mapped all the details, and now we'll click on save and send test request button. Here we can see we got some details, and now we will check whether we get these details in our Google Sheets or not. So let's go back to my Google Sheet, and here we can see that we got the details that we had in our lead gen form. So these are the details that we filled in our lead gen form, and also the details that we got in webhook response. So the full name is demo user, email as demo@pabbly.com, phone number as 999, and so on, and city as Bhopal. So we get the details, and so let's go back to the Pabbly Connect. So we got the details that we want in our Google Sheet, and our workflow is working successfully. So let's summarize what we did here. We set up our trigger first, then we set up our action. Trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and our action application was Google Sheet, and new lead instant was our trigger event, and add new row was our action event. So our workflow is completed. Thank you.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.